What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I have the Arrma Typhon TLR 6S. Yeah, I haven't ran this in a good while, man, and I wanted to get this thing out and rip it to let you see the performance of the TLR, which you already have. I would do a speed test, but I'm not gonna do all that. But yeah, I'm gonna let you see what it's working with, so you don't think it's nothing special. That's a big pinion right there. It's really set up for speed running, but I'm gonna bash around up here so you see, let y'all see, man, this thing get up. But what I'm running it on is this Turnigy bolt battery, which really doesn't fit in the battery tray. I mean, it fits in the battery tray, but it's gonna poke it out. It's poke it out a lot. But I don't care. I wanna hammer on this thing today. And this is all factory, all factory. I had a video for this already, and I was tearing it up. I did jumps and everything, but I broke the battery tray because I didn't have it all the way mounted down. But today, it's a different day. Hopefully this video turned out good as that one did, which I pretty much doubt. But without any further ado, let's get into it. As you see, fitting the battery tray, fine. No problemos. Yeah, but the body, see it sitting out, almost hitting the tire there. It could be on the palm and bend it like that. Doesn't hold it down like it's supposed to. It's not that bad.
Ready.
We're gonna do a table launch. Yo, this thing is ballistic. I'm gonna show you it. Oh! Yeah, this thing is ballistic. He's spinning out. Look he out. See how you can't handle in the grass like that. Having a very hard time. Very hard time in the grass. Looks like I blew a tire. Ooh. I may have blew a tire. Yep. I can't do nothing that little. Perfect. People don't pay attention, man. Yeah, I'm at a new location. Got some different tires on here to see how it holds up, but this thing really is made for speed. So I'm tearing tires like there's no tomorrow. Even in grass it moves. See what I'm saying? This thing is a beast. Yo, this thing is a pure rocket. Boom. Yeah, so far these tires is holding well, but then again I'm not being as rough as I was. Ooh. Yeah, this is where I originally did the video at the first time, and perfect. Oh, what was that? Another thing is, I do have this car like drop real low. I got the steering dual rig turned down, so of course it's like really not a basher, man. Not a basher at all. Perfect. Woo! Yeah, I got it sitting low and everything, man. Oh. Thing is, it's very yo, I should have did a speed test. Where's the collector? I just jumped it, wasn't recording nothing. My ramp is broke in the middle, so hopefully it don't repeat it. Perfect. Perfect. You can tell this is a monster. Perfect. 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 Whoa. This is my last jump before I break it. Yeah, the weather is cooling off. Grass is still too high for it though. Oh, look, I do got good control for stuff that come up close. Yo. And this is the factory Spektrum. Look at me gathering glass. Can I shake that grass off? Hold on. Boom! But I'm gonna stop. Stop while I'm ahead. Stop while I'm ahead.
Yo, check this out.
Yo, but this thing, the Typhon, to me, so far in my experience, it's the best buggy out there so far. That's enough talking. Leave in the comments below what you think I should do. Start that new channel, which I'm gonna do, but I just don't want y'all to think I'm gonna mix it up. I'm not gonna mix it up. It's gonna be in separate channels, one for all the real cars, one for RC cars. Just thinking about comic books too, comic books, swords. I have a couple of hobbies. So let me know in the comment below what you think I should do. But hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.